What is authentic passion and what does it really look like? Well, let me give you an example. If we look at Hans Rosling's TED Talk, and he's showing us a graph about life expectancy in the world and our perceptions of how it looks like in different countries and third world countries against first world countries. And he shows us the graph. He could have done it where he just gave us a few bullet points and showed us how the world is changing through the years. But instead, he turns to the graph and like a sports commentator, he takes us through the years with a lot of excitement, and the passion is just bubbling over inside of him because he cares about his work. And when he's done showing the graph, he gets a spontaneous applause from the audience, like you've never heard from someone showing a graph before. And this happened because he allowed his emotions and his deep passion to pour out of him in his own authentic way. Now, I know a lot of people think passion, they get a view of, oh, it looks like someone on stage waving their arms around. It looks different for every single one of us. For Hans Rosling, it's turning his back to the audience and yelling at a slide. For me, it's my own way. And for you, it's your own way. And maybe it's very contained and your voice full of emotion. It's different for everyone. But when you add authentic passion into your presentation and the work you care about, that's when you can really move your audience and get them on board your big ideas. And it's contagious. The link to Hans Rosling's TED Talk is in the comments. And what about you? Do you want to tap into your authentic passion and move your audiences? Then write yes in the comments and I will send you information to the new open courses I'm launching in Stockholm.